Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. Sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Start na. Go. Hi guys, mag-unboxing na naman tayo. Mayroon na naman tayong parcel. Yes. Not one, but two. Okay. So, i-open na natin ito. Oops. So, it's from Charles and Kate again. Sophie. Charles and Kate, guys. From Charles and Kate. Alam nyo naman. Sophie. Oh, wow. Yeah. So, I got two bags. Hindi naman ako addicted ng mukha, no? So, I have two bags. I like it. Actually, this one is in-order ko to. Ay, pang-re-regalo ko to. Pang-re-regalo ko to sa aking friend. Kasi nag-birthday siya. So, hindi pareho lang siya. Sa true friends. And then, re-regalohan natin ng mga true friends. Ayan, cute. See? So, ito ay black. The other one is pink. Yes. Cute. Small one. So, I got two. So, ito, bibigay ko to sa daughter ko. Because she like pink. Yeah, cute. Nice, right? Very nice. So, I got two. So, mukhang ito na lang yung ireregalo ko sa friend ko. Or pink. Either pink. So, whatever. So, I still have one more. But this one I think is mine. This is mine. It's bigger than that one. Ngayon pa magkalayo. Ngayon, nalulungkot ang puso. Sana, thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me my emotions and struggling. And I don't go. Puro na lang ako order. Ano ba? Ayaw niyo ma-open. Sisirain ko na lang ang box. Dudukutin ko na lang ang box. Oh, this one. Oh, mas malaki siya. Actually, tatlo siyang color. Black, brown. Etong malaki yung tatlong color. Black, brown, and ito, blue. So, I have the small one and another small one. Isang black, isang pink, and isang big blue. Oh, super nice. We're super nice, guys. As in, thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Super nice. So, actually, may mga ano. So, ireregalo ko siya. Lalagay ko siya sa ipang-regalo ko siya. Ito, i-regalo ko kay Jonah. Yes, this is for you. So, ilalagay natin dito sa kanyang bag from Charles and Kate. Yes, yes, yes. Ayan. Diba? Share your blessings. So, I think pink ang iregalo ko. Actually, pink. Pink. So, syempre siya na lang ang magbubukas doon. I-unboxing niya din. Charot. So, ayan. Hindi ko sure kung ano yung binigay ko sa kanyang wallet. Black yata. Okay to. So, should I give black or pink? Which one? Either way. Thank you for watching, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you for watching and supporting me always. So, ayun yung another from Charles and Kate. Kulay pink, black, and blue. Gusto ko sana yung malaking black pero laging out of stock or brown. Ito dalawa yung color niya. Isang medium size to, small size to. Sa small size, tatlo ang color. Isang pink, black, and blue. And then sa big size naman, sa medium size, black and brown and blue. So, laging not available ang ang black and brown. So, blue na lang pinili ko. Pero not bad. It's very nice. Napakaganda niya. So, ito yung pang re-regalo ko. Even, maybe this one too, re-regalo ko. Pero ito sure na may nagmamayari na nito. Kasi nung birthday niya, January 19, tapos Christmas, hindi kami nagkita. But she's really a good friend of mine. Although hindi kami nagkikita kasi nga, syempre basta, hindi lang, marami naman akong friend, pero syempre, pero syempre dapat yung kahit behind your back, alam mo, kahit na nakataklikod ka, alam mo, hindi ka pinagchichismisan. Kasi alam mo, malakas yung radar ko. So, she deserved this. Last time yung nirigalo ko sa kanya, wallet na Charles and Kate. Kulay black naman. So, at the same time, pink naman ngayon. Thank you for watching, guys.
Madam Isa. May Charles and Kate na naman ako. Hindi nakagamit. Hindi nakagamit si Charles and Kate kundi pagregaluhan.
Adi lang.
Oh my God!
Bulawan.
Ikaw nagbutang dyan sa gwa.
Cook sabi. You like it?
Oh, thank you.
Open.
Ay, buksan ko na.
Tika imo man na, alangan.
Tiyan mo naman bago gali timing. Gini sa Sunday.
You like it?
Yes, of course.
Sa ano tong bag mo isa? Pink na.
Oh, ayan. Ito
Nice.
na gin-order ko itong tayo sa Shein. So, kung gusto mo
Kulay pink man. Tiga rin gamay lang na masulod mo.
wallet ko lang eh.
Anong kulot tong wallet na ginregalo ko sa imo? Black?
Pare pagid
Amo man nagamit ko pa. Green akon.
Timing